Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Blessed Nested of Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Let's Do It Again. The song is Let's Do It Again. The artist is Cami Cole. Don't know the choreographer. And if you are in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go. Is that cute or what? Make sure you check out the instructional. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.